my predecessor and batchmate, Mr. P.K. Chaudhary. And I'm lucky that I have another batchmate of mine, Satyanarayana, Secretary IT, Government of India, Mr. K.K. Sharma, Mr. Yudhir Malik, my colleagues from Haryana and other states, and friends. When Yudhir invited me for this conference, I was a bit hesitant because I am an IT illiterate person. Apart from receiving and sending SMSs on telephone and maybe reading newspaper on iPad, I have no other experience with IT. But I thought कि जैसे आप बाग के पास से गुजरते ही थोड़ी खुशबू आ जाती है, तो likewise if I come here, something will enter my blank mind. I might be benefited. Further, I could not refuse Yudhir because after getting his training from Mr. P.K. Chaudhary, his first posting was with me. So he has a right on me. He gets hold of me anyway, whenever he likes, and places me anywhere he feels like. So I'm very happy that Mr. P.K. Chaudhary and J. Satyanarayana, they are here. They have great experience in IT. Satya is an IT wizard, all of you know. And the IT policy of Haryana government was framed by Mr. P.K. Chaudhary in the year 1999 or 2000. So both of them were very pioneers, and I'm very honored to be with them on this occasion. State of Haryana has taken many initiatives in IT sectors. I will narrate just few of them. We are the first state in the country to implement SWAN project in the year 2008. The STC has been set up, and 18 applications of various departments and e-district projects have already been hosted on the data center. The state service delivery gateway project is also being implemented with the cost of 10.92 crores. Having faced a number of problems in certain areas, we have been continuously amending our policies, trying to come up with the mark with the changing situations, because it's a dynamic world, situations change every moment. 80% of the state residents have already been enrolled in UID. The state government has notified a comprehensively revised communication and connectivity infrastructure policy 2013 in order to pave the way for establishment and augmentation of telecom and connectivity infrastructure in the state. The government has only recently entered into a tripartite MOU with the Department of Telecommunications, Government of India, and BBNL for establishment of national optical fiber network throughout the state in order to expand the outreach of connectivity and provide last mile connectivity to each of the Gram Panchayats. The Government of India has allocated state jurisdiction of Haryana to BSNL for this purpose. One of the most important uses of IT which the state intends to make is establishing citizen service centers. We have recognized the need for expanding the outreach of service delivery points. The Honorable Chief Minister has approved a rather ambitious CSC scheme which has been notified last month. These CSCs are envisaged to be established following a private enterprise business model under the brand name Haryana E-Seva. Keeping in view that financial viability of the CSC is critical for the success of the initiative, it has been designed with a convergence model of G2C and B2C services. It is envisaged to establish a total of 2,500 CSCs in the state over a period of next 3 years. I'm happy to share that the sites of more than 200 of these CSCs have already been identified by the respective deputy commissioners. This project follows a private entrepreneurship business model in line with the approach envisaged by the Government of India. This has been recognized as one of the basic IT infrastructure components under the National E-Governance Plan. The ESDH at the state level is providing hand-holding and advisory services to the district IT societies for this purpose. I am happy to note that the theme of this conference involves concept of CSCs. We expect a good deal of learning from other states because every state has been trying to make efforts differently. We are in fact islands of excellence in different states. The idea is to share each other's experiences and learn from them and try to improve our systems. I hope this seminar will provide a good forum for this kind of knowledge exchange and knowledge integration. Honorable Chief Minister is slightly late, and in absentia, I am grateful to him for sparing his valuable time. We have a cabinet meeting after this. I wish all the success for this meeting seminar. Thank you very much.